Hi, welcome to the demo for our application WorkTopia. So WorkTopia, as you would have read through the documentation, is a application that allows you to share co-working spaces. Basically, it brings together landlords and tenants to a common platform where they can post availability and the tenants can look for availability with custom needs, etc. So let's straight away get into the demo of the application. So this is actually the homepage of the application. This is where you land. You have as soon as you land, you can search for things. But let me just take over, walk you through the homepage. Here we just explain the features, the various types of workspaces that are featured in Worktopia, and then some nice testimonials from some of our premium clients, so on and so forth. Okay, so let's first walk into how can somebody set up themselves as a user. So you have a login page. If you're already registered, you can definitely log in here, or you can go sign in, right? So basic validations for the sign in form is present. You can sign in as an owner or a customer. So if you're an owner, basically you go post your own workspaces. So let's just create an owner and so we'll create a owner as a user ID. So we have an owner. We'll also go ahead and create a tenant user ID. All right. So you can straight away search for workspaces availabilities as you go. So we have the autocomplete or predictive search here. Now let's try and search for something. Okay, let's say you want a workspace for 3 days for 3 people. Okay, so you click the search, you got all these possible workspaces, which has now 5 availabilities. Like this room can hold 5 people. This is their features. You also can see on the map where exactly these two workspaces are, right? So those features are there. And we can now filter by features. So let's say I want a lake view one. Okay, so I have only 2 workspaces with the lake view. Now let's say I want computers already set up in the workspace. So that doesn't have anything. Okay, let's see free parking. Okay, it doesn't have anything too. So let's see. Okay. Um, all right. So basically that is that. If I increase the number, it goes. Okay, I don't have any with that many. Still don't have any. Right. So okay. So that is what your search results are. Now let me try and book a workspace. So if I have to book a workspace, I have to log in. So let me log in as a tenant. Okay, so it takes me back to the same spot where where I had identified a workspace. I can see a little more descriptive here. I can also see a map, and it allows me to make a payment. So tenant@gmail.com. All right, so we are using a fake credit card. for testing purpose. All right, so $748 is what I'm going to make a payment for. Okay, so the payment has been processed, which means I have a booking. All right, so it lets me do all that. So let's go quickly validate that the payment has been processed. Okay. All right. Okay, so we have a booking already, $748. Let's go see if the booking was successful. Yes, it was made successful. There was a successful payment for community bar booking by the tenant ID, etc. So the booking was successful. So that is basically that. So that's what the tenant does. He can go back and search for other stuff, make other bookings, or okay. Now let me actually log out. Now let's see what a landlord can do. Okay, so a landlord. So I just created a landlord ID, which means I don't have any locations yet. So let me just go create a workspace location. Okay. So I'll create a workspace location and say, oh, let's see, Toronto. All right, so I created a workspace. Now I can obviously go and edit it. Let's say, or now I can go create a workspace for it. So let me go create a workspace for it, which is I'll go create a private office. So that is the address. Let's say it can hold, let's say 10 people. Okay, so and the dimensions are, okay, so those are dimensions. Enter the daily rate. The rate goes for $21 per day. I'll activate a workspace, and I also have the option to upload pictures. Let's say upload a picture, and I can choose when is this workspace actually available from. So I'm going to make it available for the whole of month of December. I don't have a lake view. I don't have a garden view. Okay. All right. So okay. Okay, that's good. So the workspace has been created. You can see that here. I can go edit it. I can go change the rent segment. Let's say increase it to 250. Okay. So that's what an owner does. He can go and see if anybody has made a booking for him. Okay, it doesn't look like anybody has made a booking. So let's go and log out, and we'll go home and we'll start searching for to see if that workspace shows up. So I'm going to do it for 9 folks, 9 people. Okay. Yes. Okay. So that workspace that we tried to find, it did come up. All right, and we can make another booking. Of course, you need to log in. And all right, I make a payment. Okay, card number again. Okay, the payment was processed. So the booking shows okay. We have two bookings. Good. Let's see the payments here. Okay, let's look for the data. Okay, two payments. That's good. We also had uploaded an image which we use AWS S3 bucket. Okay, so this was the image that we just uploaded, so that also checks out. So that is basically what Worktopia is. Thank you.